Welcome to my channel. My name is William. I'm a licensed general building contractor. Today I will show you how to install a insulation on a floor joist at crawl space. First thing we need to do is check the title 24 for the insulation schedule. As you can see there, floors over crawl space, wood frame floor 2x6, and it's requiring R19 floor crawl space. So I already bought a insulation that is R19. There, R19. We will install this 18 gauge wire to prevent the insulation on falling down. As you can see, my guys already installed this wire, but this foundation band we will not put the insulation on this one. There. There. Okay. During this month, it's the month of summer. It's okay to put the insulation now because there is not much rain. But during like winter, there's a lot of rain. Even though it's difficult to put it later, once you have roof, it's better to put it later. Otherwise, when they get wet, if you will not remove them, they will get molds. The wood will get molds. We put the wire 6 inches away from the edge and 10 inches or approximately 12 inches in between. As you can see, they are like approximately 10 to 12 inches in between, and on the edge they are 6 inches. We use a 1-inch roofing nail. They are galvanized to attach the wire on the wood and the floor joist, and we attach them every other floor joist. See, like that. And my guys, he already installed some of the insulation there. Okay, now I will show you how to install the what you call, or put the insulation, or the way I do it. First of all, I need to wear gloves and put a dust mask so to avoid inhaling the dust. Okay, so what I need is a putty knife. I need a putty knife, a metal or any wood 1x. Now position it like that and go up to here, locate the floor joist and press it down and score it like that. Okay, like that, and you put it down like that. One more. This in, put it up to there. Okay, again. Again, locate the blocking, actually the blocking. Press it and score like that. For me, that is the easy ways to do it. Okay. Okay. And let Oscar do it. But Oscar, the way you do it, you measure it, cut it down there, and then put, count how many in it, and then put it one by one. You know, it's up to you to do it. You know, but that is the way I do it. Okay, cut. Okay. After this insulation, it's ready to put the 3/4 TNG subfloor. It only required insulation on the new addition. It's from here, from my right, this is the new one, and on my left is the old one. But since it's open, I will put insulation to this existing one. As you can see, we did not put insulation on the foundation band. You know, so it's important not to cover the foundation band there. So since there is no inspection on this one, it's not required. We can continue and put the subfloor there. As you can see, there is no insulation on the foundation band. That's all for now, and please click and subscribe. So I will make another video for on how to install the TNG plywood. Okay, bye.